We are in Baku, the leading city of Caucasian and the Caspian Sea. Now our chef is going to prepare a pizza with sea products for us. He's preparing the materials.
It goes in English, it's Frutti Di Mare. Just right now you will see the taste from our chef hands. I hope that you will like it, sir.
I hope everybody will like it.
Exactly, so the most important thing to get your satisfaction about your preferences. So we'll do our best.
So we heard you have very successful crispy pizzas.
Exactly. Ama soğuk.
What's inside your sauce?
Tomato sauce.
Only tomato or?
Inside, onion, garlic, or sunflower oil. After blender. Now, tomato sauce. Hazırlık cheese.
Use Italian mozzarella or local cheese?
Mozzarella.
Hazırlık cheese.
This is mozzarella cheese.
Bu bez atır mı? After it's over. Five, 10 minutes. Ready.
After 5-10 minutes, you are going to add the seafood
One
for
minute,
Frutti di
one
Mare.
minute. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Open the seafood
You
inside.
will add the seafood and then. Now our chef prepared the products and he's going to remove the pizza to add the sea products for Frutti di Mare. Now Chef Tarlan started to add mussels, sea mussels. And then what else goes? Shrimps.
Calamari, shrimps, mussels.
Calamari. So let's see. It will be a very delicious one.
Thank you very much.
And how many minutes more? 5 minutes more.
5 minutes.
But there's a trick. Of course, he couldn't show it here because they are now off due to the pandemic. They are not allowed to cook here. He could not demonstrate us, but normally the chef fries the sea products so that they are not going to lose water, and he can keep the pizza bread still crispy. He's frying them a little bit and then placing on top of the pizza. So it was just decorative that you demonstrated us. And now you will fry the rest. We'll bring it here and 5 more minutes in the oven and it will be okay. So I'm waiting.
Thank you.
Now you're in the kitchen. So where he's allowed to fry them. Yep. But no sauce, just the products, yeah?
Yes. For pizza, yes. Sauce, tomato sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Hot. Salt. Pepper.
Frutti Di Mare, Hyatt Regency Baku.
Five, 3 minutes ready.
And if there are any allergens, are you getting any warning for any allergens? I haven't seen also any allergen warning in the menu. So here comes the menu prof. So soon all these restaurants are going to be using the menu prof and everybody will be comfortable with possible allergens inside all these foods.
Buradan sonra уже 5 dakikada pizzada iş pişirir. Orada уже tam pişmiş.
5 more minutes. They will be with the pizza in the oven, then it will be ready.
Parmigiano, burrata cheese, angelo scalacini, branzino.
Şu ses.
A new order arrived. This is how a delicious Frutti Di Mare, pizza Frutti Di Mare is prepared in a 5-star hotel restaurant in Baku. Now Chef Talan is putting the pizza to the oven for a final 5 minutes.
5 minutes ready.
Actually, he just tried to demonstrate what he did in the kitchen. Actually, that's just one step. He's preparing it, removing the pizza from the oven, placing the products on top of it, and 5-6 minutes more in the oven, then it's ready. So, wait. So while the pizza is being cooked, let us review some beverages. What do we have here? We have Chardonnay, delicious wine, which we can choose for our pizza. They have a wide collection of wine here as well. Now
Arkadaşlar.
the final moments before the service. And our pizza is ready to be served. All right. Thank you, Chef Thank you, Chef Talan. Thank you. Now we will try it.